Hi everyone, Jen here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Continue subscribing and viewing our content. Today I'll be showing you the things you need to check in your car, and also I'll be showing you how you can change your flat tire. For you to open the bonnet, you need to open your car door like this. You come down here and you pull here. Then you go to your bonnet like that. You fix your finger here and you pull your bonnet. Then you pick this handle, place it here for it to hold your bonnet. Then there are things you need to check here. You need to check the brake fluid. If it's low level, you add. You need to check the steering wheel fluid. If it's at low level, you need to add. You also need to check the wiper water. If it is low, you add water and normal. You also need to check the radiator coolant. This one, you put water to cool your engine. You also need to check the engine oil. You remove this one, then you check the engine oil levels. After that, you return it there. Also, you need to check the ATF level. ATF means the automatic transmission fluid. You check the level, then you return it here. After that, you need to check your battery. For your battery, you need to check whether the cables are connected properly. Then you need to have a metal bar like this one to hold your battery tight. For example, if you are on a bump, your battery cannot get removed. Then after that, there are things you need for your car. You need to have a pliers. Always make sure your car has a plier. And this one is called the jumper starter cables. For example, your battery died when you are on the road. You need to find someone with a car and he can help you jump start your car. After that, you can use this to remove the corrosion from the battery. Like that. Like that. You come to the other side and you clean those white pieces for your battery corrosion. After that, your front part of your car, the bonnet, is well checked. Then you pull this cable like that, then you bang your bonnet. After that, you need to go around your car and check where all your tires are okay. If you find one of your tire is flat, you need to change it by yourself. For example, your mechanic is not around, you are alone at home, your husband is not there, so you need to take kids to school, you need to go to work, so you need to change it. These are the things you need to change your car tire with. You need a spare tire, you need the safety triangles, you need the 4-bar wheel wrench or the spanner nut. You also need a lock nut. You also need a car jack. Then the first thing you need to do, if you are on the highway, you need to press this triangle safety behind and in front of your car for them to warn other motorists. Then before you start changing your flat tire, you need to place safety stones like these ones in all your tires. Then the first thing you need is you untighten. Using this 4-bar, no way. You untighten your nuts. Come and you untighten your nuts this way and clockwise way. You untighten your nuts. You're going to need to use a lot of energy here. Then for this part, you need to put your lock nut there. Then you untighten using your lock nut like that. After untightening, now you set your car jack. This one is for lifting your car. You set it properly to the jacking points of your car, like that. Then, after using your hand to set it, now you can use this one to lift your car. You go faster this one until your car is lifted up. You go faster, it is like you are in a gym. You use all your ugali here late for an important meeting, you need to go pick your business stock. You do this, you spin around and around and around until your wheel is lifted up. You spin faster like this until you keep on checking whether your wheel is lifted off the ground. Spin like that. Spin. Now your wheel is lifted. After that, you need to come now and remove all the bolts. You remove all of them like that. You remove all your nuts. Always make sure your spare tire has enough pressure by spinning it. Now the other one that has puncture, you're supposed to take it to any petrol station or a garage for it to be fixed. You move like that, faster like that. Time is not on your side, like that. Now you pull up this one for it to be taken to the garage to be fixed. Then you lift this one and you match. You match it, the holes to the place it's supposed to be. Then you fix your bolts. Fix your bolts. Like that with your hands first. Fix all your bolts. And the other one, using a lock nut. This one, you use a lock nut to fix it with your hand first. After using your hands now, you come now and tighten all the bolts clockwise direction. Faster like that, until they are tighten. You tighten until you feel it is at the end, like that. Time is not on your side. You fix faster, tighten faster. You tighten faster. You tighten the other bolts. Tighten the other bolt faster. Like that, faster. You come the other one that has a lock nut, tighten it. Clockwise direction for tightening and clockwise direction for untightening. Then you repeat that again until you feel all your nuts tight. Until you feel all your nuts are tight. After that, you remove your car jack. You remove it like this faster. Faster, you remove your car jack. Faster, you remove your car jack. It's like you're in a gym. You're exercising, keeping your body fit. Like that. your car jack. Then you repeat and tightening your bolt again. After removing the car jack, you repeat tightening the bolt. You repeat tightening the bolt like that. You repeat tightening the bolt. You repeat tightening your bolts. Then you take the spare tool that has a puncture to the mechanic. Then you will have to remove the lock nut. And then lock nut to remove like this. Like that, you are done. After that, you pick all your material. You keep them to the boot. Then you can check your driving license is okay. You check your car insurance is okay. Then you buckle up your safety belt. Put on your mask. Your mind concentration is okay. Your eyesight is okay. Don't drink and drive. Thank you. Subscribe, view, drive safely. Bye bye.